bwebunge Moses Wetangula kubwatikana Nyagosira kwa Raila Amolo Odinga nigemambia yerituko lyarero monogerio yo arahige karokie bunge Komorera omusike Raila Odinga ase bamwatwire buna oyo rwanerete obosibole anene mono bwebyama ebinge bya gisiasa ogwetera ogwancha chigosori nigo abajumbe baganire egeti ya talanta hela kurukwa elieta lya Raila elio kumwenyura
Magega yogote nigi karo kibunge nene awigoro amo nomonogeri webunge yo Moses Wetangula kubwatekana Nyagosira kwae Raila Odinga.
Honorable members, we meet this morning under a somber cloud that hangs heavy on our nation. You will recall that I did invoke Standing Order Number 1 to adjourn the morning sitting of this House yesterday, a decision that resonated with the anxious solemnity that gripped the country as news broke of the passing on of one of Kenya's greatest sons.
Nigemambia yelskuri arero omonogerio yo arege karukie bunke Komorera Raila Odinga ase bamwatwire buna oyo rwanrete obosibore anene mono webyame binke bya gisiasa.
When multi-party democracy was finally restored in Kenya, he became a central figure in shaping the nation's modern political history. From his election as a member of parliament for Langata constituency in 1992, to his leadership in the government and opposition, he embodied resilience and an abiding faith in the will of the people.
ODM, the people, the broad-based government, and the people of Kenya, we have lost a great man. We have lost a hero, a person who today we celebrate and we are happy about democracy because he is the father of democracy. I think we all remember right from the 82 coup all the way to 1992 to 2010 to the birth of the 2010 Constitution, and in each time Raila Amolo Odinga fought hard for the democracy of this country, for the freedoms that we today enjoy in this country.
I wish to call upon all Kenyans to remember that they are the people that fought for democracy in this country, and therefore, as we remain, we pray for him as he rests in peace, and may we remember as Kenyans that this country is larger or bigger than all of us, and may we maintain peace and stability in this country.
Korengana na Wetangula nigo amotigire omusike Raila Odinga muno yochorete omorembe no nyamaiga yokobuwa chintunda chinyinge na okora okubwatana nabari ao.
Honorable members, even in moments of political contest, the Right Honorable Raila Odinga often chose peace over power. This was demonstrated in the year 2007, 2013, 2017, and 2022 elections when he put the stability of this nation above personal ambition, demonstrating time and again that leadership is not only about winning, but about holding our nation together.
Igati abachumbe bande nigo bamwatwire buno murayi omoremu orwandreta ba Kenya bonsi.
Looked like something will happen and Raila Odinga will be back. It is very difficult. We mourn a very courageous man. I admired the courage of Raila Amolo Odinga from when I was a young boy. What Raila has been able to do for this country in very difficult times, Honorable Speaker.
That Raila who would capture people just with his greetings. The man who would walk into these rallies and he would lift one hand and he would say, "Haya, haya."
Singona yabo nigo Nyagosira Raila Odinga anchete chigosori. Sigati yabachumba bubaganirige tigia talanta hela ekiendrete kwagachwa korokwa edietadia Raila Odinga ediokomoinyora.
He was an ardent supporter of sports, Arsenal being his team.
He was also a lover of sports. I remember in the last concluded Chan Games, I could see on Raila Odinga attending to all the matches that were being played. Even with his advanced age, he would go there very early and remain there until the matches are over. It is for that for sports that I'm proposing that the newly built Taranta Hera Stadium in Dagoretti be named after Honorable Raila Odinga and be named Raila Odinga Stadium, so that his name can be remembered for very long.
Kwa ripoti ya Ensoko TV kure kaunti ya Kisii, Nchempetuel Machin.